In a sudden forest flood, a traveler must cross a swollen stream using only what nature and a compact kit provide. They fashion a simple rope bridge from a sturdy liana and a spare cord, anchor trees, test tension, and move one by one. A quick check of the water depth, current, and footing guides each careful step as the line holds and sways. Once across, they secure the exit path and mark the route for future travelers, turning a risk into a learning moment. The scene ends with a reminder to pre-plan gear, practice knots, and respect river forces before attempting any river crossing.